Well, we going to a two baler operation. No, we're not. Purchased a new baler. Okay, it's not new. A new to me baler. 568. You'll notice it's missing something back here. No net wrap. Well, the tires are certainly different. I'm going to sell the 566 and that New Holland Haybine right there next spring, summer. But I found this 568 for a price that I just felt like I should jump on it now. I think it was cheaper because it didn't have net wrap. It's a 2009 8900 bales. So I thought, and the price was right. So it's going in the heated shop, and the old one will go to the old unheated shop. Cold storage. I mean, net wrap, yeah, it's not. I have nothing against it. I would have preferred to have net wrap, but you know, it was cheaper, I think, because it didn't have net wrap. I bought this converter to go from RV style to ag style. It goes from the flat blade to the round pin, and it worked. I had signal lights and hazard lights on the baler because of that little converter deal there. Just bought that on Amazon. So one belt is kind of messed up a little bit here. He said it's been like that since he had it. I'm the third owner. So they must have got a rock or something in there, but kind of put some grooves in these two. Yeah, but that's about it for damage that I could see. So hopefully it works as good as that 566 did. That 566 is a 2000. It's got over 21,000 bales on it. So we kind of upgraded by a decade, or 9 years anyway, and dropped 10,000 bales. And when this baler's done, I'll probably be done. So hopefully it works well for a long time. So I've kind of panned back here, Jengaed everything in here. What is it, Tetris? Is that what you play? Can't really see a spot here for my wife's car. You can kind of see. We're wedged. A lot of stuff wedged over there. Got the 1135 there. Managed to squeeze the 568 in here with not much room to spare. I got it muddy on the way home. And the disc bind is inside, so that's nice. I could never get that 116 Haybine in here. Well, I could get it in here, but I couldn't fit anything else. I haven't hooked back up to my bale handler, but the bale handler kind of has to slide underneath the disc bind to fit it in here. So that's good. And we'll get everything else that can fit in the old shop. We'll get it inside there. And go from there. So first thing I noticed when I looked at this thing are the size of the chains. I believe these are 80 series, and the 566 are all 60 series. So everything is just, I thought the 566 was a heavy baler. Like, this thing is heavier. And you can get 4 balls of twine in each side, which is nice. So yeah, it's the Mega-Wide pickup. Got that roller on front there, so we'll see how that works. It was just hard to go away from John Deere. We had such good luck with that 566. that, if I buy a different brand and then have trouble with it, you're going to be wondering why you did that. So stick with the John Deere, and hopefully it goes well. You ever have one of those jobs that you just really don't want to do? And it just keeps getting worse and worse as the years go by. Yeah. See how many lights work in here? 3 out of 4. Yeah, this is the old shop. This was a hog barn. It's not insulated. Had a wood burning stove, still does. That mezzanine there ran the whole length of the building, and that overhead door was not there. It had a door, well, we changed that one as well, but they're basically like 2 little man doors on each end. So I tore that loft out back to there, and we put that door in so I could get equipment in here and at least get it plugged in and out of the wind. But since we built the new shop, this one has kind of become this, and it's kind of a disgrace. So I have some equipment that I would like to get inside, and in order to do that, we need to clean this up. If I can just get it cleaned out now, it's never going to get dirty again, because it's just a machine shed. We're not going to be driving in and out of here in the spring with a tractor or truck bringing mud in and out. So we just need to get it cleaned up one time, and it'll stay that way, I would think. I'm not highly motivated, but I can't stand seeing that baler sit out in the rain. It's raining again today.